Good morning. Today is Friday. I had nothing to do today. It's probably my first video. Here today to change one of my good friend Keith, his rims. That's his car over there. He's got a Lancer, I don't know what year it is. He's just going around parking his mom's car so I can get the garage open and yeah, hopefully get the day started. Damn. Look at that rice and rocket. Oh, just in case. Drives at night. Let's say goodnight to the kids. This is his whip, guys. Looks right, looks right. And that's mine. Alright, quick update. Move this guy over there. Because this dickhead has so many shit in his garage that we can't even park there. Look how even it is. He's got a steep driveway, but he's gonna go all the way over here just so we can have a flat surface. Yeah. So these are the stock 2015 Lancer rims, and today we are trying on this G-Max. What's up, man? Say hi to my very first video.
Hello.
I gave these to him because I used to have them. Much for like a giveaway. These are 17 inches G-Max rims, and yeah, we had some technical difficulties. So I'm using my phone S9 Plus and just using this like holder that snapped off. Luckily my boy Keith had some. Motherfucker has everything here. But yeah, that's right. Alright, things you need are obviously a car, your stockies that you want to look at and never look at again, your new rims, someone you can boss around, your car stands, your jack. You can also use your own jack because it was in the back of your car, but these ones are a lot easier to use. And yeah, let's get started. So first you gotta unlock all the nuts first, loosen it up before you jack it up. Get to work, bitch.
Oh, while we're at it, we should paint the calipers as well. Good luck. They'll be mad. Okay.
On the way down screaming, whoa. If all we have is time, then we'll be alright. It's not much, but it's better than nothing.
So we've got all the wheels loosed up. We finally did one on this side, and obviously you guys will see I've done one on that side. Before we go on, I just want to say a big congratulations on Keith on getting his green piece. So in Australia, when you're 16, you're able to go for your learners. You got to do about 120, 180, 120, I forgot, hours with an instructor, mum and dad, someone has a full license. And on your L's, it's like a big L, like yellow plate with a green P. You're allowed to have as much passengers as you can, which is silly because when you turn 18, 2 years later, did your test, did your driving test, you go on your red Ps, which is what I'm on. I'll show you what it looks like. So on your red Ps, you can only carry one passenger. From learners, carrying as much passengers you want with a full licensed driver, into red Ps, you're driving on your own with one passenger. You do a whole year on your red piece. If you don't lose it, don't lose any points. If you don't even get a fine, you get your greens for free, am I right? Yes?
Can't relate to losing my license.
Fuck you. Anyway, that's another story, guys. So So yeah, now he can carry as much Filipino pussy as he wants. Oh, using a jack. Oh shit. Do you want to find like the hard bit of where you want to put it up and as close to the wheel as you can, because we have car stands that we're just gonna leave over there. Fuck, no. Okay. Go push it up. Oh yeah.
Don't be scared. Push it down.
Yeah.
Is that high enough? No. I'm going to sue you for that.
You might say what?
Woohoo! Hello.
Cute dogs, man. Got that side on. I'll put the stands not too close because that's where our jack would be. It's just right there. That was already there. So you know. What's up, fam?
Hello.
Yeah, I like your rocket, bro.
Oh, thanks. I like a $10 mod, bro.
Hey, fuck you.
Pretty good.
If you guys want to see that, how I made my Skyline, it was a $10 mod I did on just the exhaust because I couldn't be fucked buying a whole set. Make that into another video. So yeah. Come on, bitch. Fuck is that?
What?
Now the question is, would this fit? But I was prepared. It came with a lock nut. So no. Say bye. So this stock wheels came with the stock nut. It won't fit into the new ones, but that's okay. I was prepared. Oh, they're over here. Okay. Because I'm such a good friend, I bought these along with that's the lock nut. So these ones would go on that. And then we just need 4 of the normal sized, and yeah.
Also in this video, We're gonna be painting the colors.
What'd you say?
Nothing. No, we're gonna paint these.
Damn, I ain't painting that.
We're gonna paint them yellow. Silver yellow. And put the STR sticker.
What a fucking ricer guy. Yeah. Come on, baby. I'm just chilling, waiting for him to finish. Just taking his damn time, though.
That's pretty tough.
Ooh, Mazda 3.
Your message. You'll be like, why the sky changed?
So, what time is it now?
It's like 1:40.
It's 1:40. We started at like 12:30. So it turned out
Someone fucked up.
someone fucked up, exactly. The nuts are fine. It's just what connects the nut to the actual car. The studs, I think is what it's called. Someone should be able to tell me if I'm right or wrong. But that's what it looks like now. It's gonna rain, so I think we're just gonna leave the rears on, which looks fucking stupid, but I don't want to be fucking get drained on. That's what it looks like in the episode. But yeah. Also, I think we're gonna. Postman came by, dropped off your. What did you drop off?
Plate lights. LED.
So LED lights. That's gonna go on. Just right there. There's just 2 screws that holds it. But we chucked the rears one on. It's gonna go around the block. Look at this guy's car, bro.
Clean. Hey, the boot is clean though.
No one cares about the piece. Wait, put my seatbelt on. How the fuck? So I have to be. That's right. Just gonna hold it. Let's go.
Alright, let's go, boy.
Sounds alright.
Now it's the right side.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do on the sides. So, R8, XR6. They're really common here in Australia. Well, I have to put this down and have to tighten up the other side now. Alrighty. I don't know if you can see, it started to rain a bit. So we stopped it. Fuck, look how mean it looks now. So for now, because this motherfucker has to go to work, I might leave these 2 rears on. It does look silly, but we can't do too much about it. That's what it looks like on the other side.
So,
Oh,
right here.
but now,
Don't look at
what do
my
we got
address.
here? What do we got here? What do we got here?
We got some LED lights.
We'll open it up. You know, put that shit away so no one can see where you live. Damn. And to be honest, how much was this?
21 bucks.
Ooh.
From like one of those LED globes.
Ooh. This guy doesn't do eBay or Wish, guys. Alright, so How are we gonna take this off?
Just lie down, relax.
So there's two main cases that holds it, and there's what, 2 screws in each one?
Yeah. So 4 in total. You can see the difference. Yes.
No, take. I'll turn it on now.
Yeah.
Guys, you don't want to know what it smells like in here. So that's what we had on before. That's what it is now. You can't really tell the difference now, obviously, because it's bright out, but I can tell that that one is brighter. And yeah.
So
Put on the
number
other.
plate. Stop me, please.
Damn. So he wanted to take the caps off. Does look better, but we're just gonna maybe paint the rust off. He wants to do his calipers red. He wants to lower the car,
Maybe yellow. So
maybe yellow. He
like
wants
your,
to
like
tint
your jumper logo.
the headlights and taillights. He wants to put an Evo wing. Yeah, for another video.
And I want to put like a 5-inch exhaust. Oh yeah, cold air intake.
Another day, hopefully. Well, I think I'm gonna make a part 2 video, but got those on. Gotta get these on soon when it's not raining. Another day. He's taking his time. Yeah, hopefully you all learned something from this. We just try and do things ourselves instead of going somewhere professional, unless it's really, really bad. But yeah. Oh, we thought. Oh, back home now. Yeah, today went not as how I expected, but it is what it is, with the rain and everything going our way. Finish all that. If you guys enjoy the video, please give us a like, comment, give me any tips, stuff I did wrong, dislike, like, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more videos like this, what I do every day, what I do in my life. I also forgot to mention my name. It's Leonardo, which is obviously my channel name. But yeah,